In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets so you can see the data visually and easily. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. Connecting Google Forms to Google Sheets is a straightforward process that can significantly improve how you manage your data. Whether you're collecting survey responses, event registrations, or any other type of information, having that data in a Google Sheet makes it much easier to analyze and share. First things first, you'll want to start by opening Google Forms. You can do this by going to your web browser and typing in forms.google.com. Once you're on the Google Forms homepage, you will see a list of your existing forms, if you have any. If you don't have any forms yet, no worries. You can simply create a new one by clicking on the plus button or blank option. Now, let's find the specific form you want to connect to Google Sheets. For demonstration purposes, I have an untitled form that I'll be working with. Just click on that form to open it up. For the sake of this video, let's assume this form is a simple research survey. If you look at the top of the screen, you'll see a section labeled Responses. This is where all the answers from your survey participants will be stored once they start responding. For now, before we proceed with responses, let's look at how to initiate the connection to Google Sheets. Well, in the Save Responses section, you will see a green Sheets icon. Click on that icon. If it's your first time connecting this form to Google Sheets, it will prompt you with an option to either create a new spreadsheet or select an existing one. If you're creating a new sheet, go ahead and select that option, and it'll ask you to name it. You can give it a name that reflects the purpose of the data you're collecting. Once you've named it and clicked Create, Google Sheets will automatically open up, displaying all of your existing responses in a neatly organized table. Now that you have your Google form connected to Google Sheets, let's talk about how responses are transferred. Each time someone submits a new response through your Google form, that data will automatically populate in the Google Sheets spreadsheet you just created. It's seamless and super helpful for real-time data analysis. Let's put this to the test. I'll fill out the form with a sample response. So let's say the question is, whose design was better? I'll type in Steve and add some random details. After I fill in the form, I'll click Submit. Now let's hop over to Google Sheets and see if the new response has been added. A fresh row should appear at the bottom of your data table, containing the response we just submitted. Isn't that cool? This instant update means you can keep track of submissions as they come in, without any additional steps. And to find your Google Sheets, you can simply go back to Google Sheets through your web browser or check your Google Drive, where it should be saved. This functionality is especially handy if you want to filter, analyze, or share the data with your team or stakeholders later on. I hope you found this video helpful. Connecting Google Forms to Google Sheets is a fantastic way to streamline your data collection and make your information more manageable. If you need any more tips on how to improve your data management processes or any other topics, feel free to leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.